Alright, 2.5 practice sheets. I'll do the odd ones. I think there's only 4. You do the even ones. There should probably be only 4. Right? But same thing. Solve each equation, show your steps. Right? Follow. If it's isolated, you're already halfway there. Right? Then you need to set it to the positive answer and the negative answer. And then you know that x could be 3 or negative 3, so you need to write it as a solution set. 3 and negative 3. Right? And then it's isolated. It's already halfway done. Negative 6k is equal to positive 30, and negative 6k is equal to negative 30. Solve for k. K could either be negative 5 or k could be positive 5. Solution set. Ooh, that is not right. Getting ahead of myself. Could be negative 5 or 5. Again, it's isolated already. You don't have to do anything with it. So 2k plus 3 equals 7. And 2k plus 3 equals negative 7. Get rid of the constant. 2k equals 4. Inverse property, inverse property, inverse property. Inverse property. 2k is equal to negative 10. K is equal to negative 5. So 2 or negative 5. I wonder if you can hear what I'm saying. I wonder how many people actually listen when I talk. How about I find out? When you reach this point of the video, I want you to pause it, and then I want you to come up and tell me that the code word is pickles. But I don't want you to tell your classmates. Only the people that I think were actually listening. I just want to see if you were listening. Set it to the positive. Set it to the negative. Pickles. Pickles, pickles, pickles. Why? Because I'm thinking about pickles. Why? Because I had some pickle chips. I love pickle chips. Flip to multiply. Flip to multiply. So x is either 16 multiply, multiply, or x is equal to negative 36. I wonder if you're not listening to the words that are coming out of my mouth. I'll actually know because you won't do all the even problems. I mean, that's a good way for me to figure out if you're listening. Alright, there are a couple of examples. I'm going to do them just in case because I think I'm going to try to copy this page and add it to your practice sheet. Alright, so remember, inverse. If it's not isolated, isolate it. Then set it to the positive. Oh, wait, whoa. If absolute value bars are the only thing that's left, your answer cannot be negative. That is literally impossible. So this is no solution. Just like that, it's no solution. Alright, moving on to the next one. They tried to trick us, but we caught them. Alright, there's a 2 keeping it from being isolated, so we're going to multiply both sides by 2. Because multiply is the opposite of divide. That leaves us with 4x minus 12 equals 16. We can set it equal to the positive and the negative. Have you ever tried to write, think, speak all at the same time? It's harder than it looks. Alright. I'm not going to talk about this. I'm just going to do it. Maybe I should do one where I work the problem and you put the words into the steps. Like you explain the steps to me. I'll record myself doing it and then post the video, and then you record explaining the steps. Like you do a voiceover of my video. I wonder, that's interesting. I like that idea. Be prepared to record yourself walking somebody through the steps of a problem. Let's practice. I'm going to work this problem without speaking. How'd you do? One more. Maybe I'll have you talk your way through one or the other. Maybe I'll have you choose one. Should be interesting. Again, the even numbers, after you've worked them, make sure you show your work. Go on to the quizzes and type in your answers to see if you got them right. That way you'll know if you're ready for the mastering check.